Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video we are doing a memory planning spread in my big happy planner. I decided to go with the horizontal for this week just to change it up. I am a little behind because this is the first week or October 1st, and so yes, I'm behind, but I have printed my pictures and I feel like I am going to cover up every other date. That way it still kind of makes reference to the week that we're in. And then have them just stagger in a simple kind of layout like this, and then kind of fill it up with stickers and stuff that I've chosen. So I went through the Disney, which one is this one? By Happy Planner. Is there a name on this collection? No, there's not. But anyway, it's the Disney like paper stickers, or are there some clear? It's there. Yeah, they're all paper. And I kind of feel like I love this one and this one because they kind of both have this wonderful word in it. So I feel like I might put this one on this side and this one somewhere here, and I might cut off this Mickey because I wish he was just smiling. Like, I don't understand that face. So I'm just gonna probably like hack Mickey off and then just use life doesn't have to be perfect to be wonderful, somewhere up here or over here, and then life is wonderful probably in like the dot grid section to cover up some of that. And there's plenty of room to journal. And then I've just pulled out the encourager stick encouragement and the mega pastel pack to see if there's any other sentiments that I will put around my photos. So that is the game plan, changing up the layout. And what I'm realizing too is because let's just have a little conversation. My book is getting really chunky. I will be doing a flip through after I do this one so that we have completed quarter. And then I'm realizing that October, yes, will be in here, but November, I feel like I'm going to be a part of like a Grateful 30 for November. And so I might not do anything in here because I'll have like a little insert for like a daily documenting like something grateful every day. And then I do December daily also every year. And so this section usually doesn't get used either because I'm already documenting in a album for December daily. So technically after October, I'll be done with that one. And so remember I did haul this one, so I haven't been using it very much. So I think because I have it through half of next year. So come January, I feel like I have 6 months that I can use all of the horizontal layouts that are in this and kind of get accustomed to using a different layout. And that way come June or May, they'll most likely have a summer release and I'll pick up a new memory planner with either a horizontal if I like it from this 6 months of using it, or I'll go back to a vertical. So you'll be seeing some more horizontal plannings on my channel. All right, so let's put you on fast forward and let's put this layout for this week together. And then, like I said, after I'm done with this one, I will have a flip through so that you can see all the after the pens. I've also pulled out some of these stamps that I hauled on my last videos in case I want to just have some sentiments that I don't find in the sticker book. So I just have them sitting on the side if we need them when we get to there. All right, so I'll put you on fast forward now. All right, so let's get started. So I already kind of walked you through what I was planning on doing. I always like kind of talking you through my process so that you can see that I too make decisions and think ahead of time before executing a project, even a layout like this. So I hope you are enjoying the intros and outros to these videos, but let me know down below if you prefer just for me to get into the crux of it and I'll explain everything as I do it on this like time-lapse version. Just let me know which you prefer. So everything I did say I did so far, and now I'm just going through the mega pastel pack for some little sentiments and sayings that go along with the photos. This week there was some eventful stuff just because like we're planning some Halloween things and Valentina's decorating the door with me. She's at a very fun age where we play and can play dress up and pretend, and she loves it. And then I was playing on Snapchat, which is that little picture with like the cartoon faces of ours, which I just love. I almost want to do it, play on that app again to get a good one with like natural sunlight outside and like print it because it reminds me of just being like a caricature. So if you haven't been on Snapchat recently, go on and play. And it's super cute to be turned into a cartoon. And then the other photos are of me and Miguel at work. If you don't know, me and my husband are chiropractors and we actually do work together. And my journaling for that photo is that not many people can work with their spouse, but we make it work. We just take on different roles at the office and it works for us. And then we went to like the Dolphins game on the weekend. So those are the memories for the week. Okay, let's just leave it at that for now. I feel like I wanted to add stamping, but I just didn't. So I'm going to go ahead now and just fill in my journaling. And let's say like I don't have that much to write and there are some gaps, I might go ahead and add like a few little cute words in between some of the filler spots. But I love the way this turned out. It was super simple. And like I said, it's going to be a layout that I'm going to become familiar with for the first 6 months of next year. And I always see a lot of fun layouts done because I follow like Heidi Swap's Stop the Blur class, and she works in a horizontal layout. So I'm thinking of doing her subscription class just to kind of get good ideas and stuff on how to utilize the space in a horizontal manner. But I like the way this comes in. Like I said, it leaves the room for journaling, and if I don't have enough to put on each of these, I will put some stamping inside them. So this is really cute. Hope you've enjoyed this simple layout and approach to a horizontal layout. Until next time, ta-ta everyone.